Good morning, my dear students. Invest in your mind, invest in your health, invest in yourself. So, my dear students, think positive and be positive, and always try to take healthy food and avoid junk food. Beta, junk food is not good for your health. And be confident and always take care of yourself. So, my dear students, welcome to mathematics class once again. So, beta, today we will do chapter money, worksheet number 2. So, my dear students, money matters a lot in our lives. Nobody can do without it. We need money to buy things. We also get money when we sell things. Beta, if you want to purchase, buy anything just like book, shirt, pencil box, chocolate, pizza, burger, anything. If you want to buy from the market, you need money. So, beta, money matters a lot. So, don't waste it and try to save it. So, beta, when we want to purchase anything, I have told you, we give money to the shopkeeper. इन द सेम वे पूरे कंट्रीज़ में, पूरे वर्ल्ड में उनकी जो हम लोग मनी यूज़ करते हैं उसको हम उसकी कंट्री की करेंसी बोलते हैं. डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ आर हैविंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ करेंसीज. जस्ट लाइक सी इंडिया, द करेंसी ऑफ इंडिया इज़ रुपी. In the same way, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, the currency of both the countries are also rupee. In America, they use dollar. In Italy, euro. United Kingdom, pound. Afghanistan, Afghani. Bangladesh, taka. So that means कि different countries are having different types of currency. So my dear students, this is the symbol of Indian currency, rupee. And rupee 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So beta rupee 1 में 100 पैसास होते हैं. So my dear students, today as I have told you, today we will do worksheet number 2. Convert the following into paisa. We have to convert these rupees into paisa. So beta, I'm going to solve sum number 1 and sum number 4, and rest of the sums you will solve yourself. And beta, for this watch the next slide carefully. So my dear students, now we will start with worksheet number 2. Convert the following into paisa. So beta, today we will convert rupees into paisa. So what will be the first step? As I have told you, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So we will write here rupee 1, the symbol of rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So we have to find out 6 rupees. So what we will do? We will write here rupee 6. Now what we will do? We will multiply 6 by 100 paisa. So what we will do? We will multiply in the rough work. So beta, we have less of space. So we will do this rough work here. So we will multiply, just see how, 100 by 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6. That means rupee 6 is equal to 600 paisa. But as you know that we have less of space, so that's why I am writing like this. So beta, that means rupees 6 is equal to 600 paisa answer. Right beta? So for the next sum, watch the next slide carefully. So my dear students, now I am going to solve sum number 4. 52 rupees. We have to find out the paisa in 52 rupees. So what we will do, we will write down here rupee 1 is equal to how many पैसा बेटा 100 पैसा. rupee 1 में कितने पैसाज होते हैं 100 पैसा. and rupee 52 में. So rupee 52 is equal to 52 by 100. We will write paisa here due to the less of space. So what we will do? We will do rough work here. Just see. We will multiply 100 by 52 or 52 by 100. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. Again we will write 1 0 here. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. And when we add 0, 0, 0, 2 and 0, 2 and 5. So that means rupee 52 is equal to 5200 paisa. Beta, less of space is there. So please do it very neatly. So when we multiply 52 by 100, we get answer 5200. So rupee 52 is equal to 5200 paisa answer. So beta, I have solved sum number 1 and 4, and rest of the sums you will solve yourself and answer key will be shared afterwards. So beta, do the sums very neatly in your classwork copy. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.